Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import a list of companies from a CSV, a spreadsheet or an Excel file directly into LinkedIn Sales Navigator to create an account list in just a few clicks. So, little disclaimer before you begin this tutorial is that you need a Sales Navigator team account to enjoy this feature. So make sure to upgrade your plan if you want to do this operation. Once you have a clean CSV of companies, honestly, this task is really simple. You just need to go on account list here and to click here, create an account list, and click on upload accounts from CSV. This is the button you won't get if you don't have a Sales Navigator team account. So I click here, and here I got few instructions from LinkedIn. I can't upload more than 1,000 companies, and LinkedIn tells me that the more I give them information, the more LinkedIn will be able to match my companies with the correct company page on LinkedIn. So if I add the company ID, the website, the city, street, LinkedIn URL, etc., LinkedIn will have much more chances to find the right companies. So here I can click on continue, and I can drag and drop my file here. So I made a little list of company with their website here. I have created a CSV, so I'm going to drag and drop it here. And now I have to map the column so LinkedIn know where to find the information. So account name is my column name. For the information I don't have, I just click on not in CSV. Here I have a website. So I just have to click on not in CSV for information I don't have. Now I click on continue. I name the list. And I can add a little description, for example. And click on finish. Now LinkedIn is doing the job, so I just need to wait a few minutes to have my import completed on Sales Navigator. Import is finished, so I can click on my account list and see the companies that LinkedIn found for this list. So you can see that the results here are perfect. LinkedIn have done the job well. So once you have this account list, what you can do is try to find the decision makers inside this company, and that's precisely the subject of another video we made on the Evaboot YouTube channel. You can click just here to watch it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to press the like button on this video, and see you soon. Bye bye.